It is a delight to have the opportunity to congratulate the Pentecostal Research Center on its 50 years of ministry to both the Church of God and to scholars throughout the world who conduct research on Pentecostalism. From its inception through today, the Research Center has preserved and made available materials that represent Pentecostalism. It continues to strive to preserve Pentecostal voices for future generations, so that those generations will also know the glorious acts of the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit. In addition to serving the Church of God, which is the Pentecostal Research Center's sponsoring denomination, the center also serves two higher education institutions, Lee University and the Pentecostal Theological Seminary. Today, as the Pentecostal movement reaches around the world, the Research Center is able to serve global students, scholars, and churches through its provision of increasing numbers of online resources. The Pentecostal Research Center is housed in the William G. Squires Library in Cleveland, Tennessee. My wife, Frances Arrington, who went to be with the Lord in 2011, was the director of Squires Library for many years. She was actively involved in the work of the Pentecostal Research Center from its beginning. Before I conclude here, I would like to congratulate Dr. David Roebuck on this milestone. Under his leadership, the Pentecostal Research Center has become a world-class archives and research collection that serves as a valuable resource for so many.